Welcome back to the Coaching Network. My name is Maria Medina. I am your business and networking coach, and I am really excited to invite you to my next workshop with my guest speaker, Kirsten Zeigler. She's going to be talking all about when to hire, how to hire, but we're going to be talking about time management techniques, how to make the most out of your time, where to pick if you want to optimize, delegate, automate. And when that delegation part comes in, it's really hard to figure out the right person to hire, if to hire. Are they internal? Is it a VA? What is it? And that is where Kirsten comes in. So, Kirsten, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself? Tell us a little bit about yourself and what you're going to be teaching us during this workshop.
Thanks so much, Maria. I'm Kirsten, HR expert and strength-based coach and founder of KDZ HR Consulting. And I'm super excited to join Maria. I'll be walking you through how to identify what the tasks are that are holding you back and how to make smarter decisions when to hire and how to hire. By the end, you'll walk away with tools to figure out what kind of support you need and strategies to actually grow your business without running yourself into the ground.
That is so important because a lot of solopreneurs and small business owners feel like they can do everything when really they can't. So please join us for this workshop. Save the date. Wednesday, November 12th, 9 a.m. Pacific, so 12 p.m. Eastern is a free 1 hour workshop. I hope to see you there.